In this video, I will show you how to manage your email, how to send emails, and do general email things. So first, you want to download the Gmail app from the App Store. You just search Gmail, you'll find it, you press on it, you're good to go. This is what the icon looks like. Once you get it, you just press on it, you'll be greeted to this screen. It'll ask you to sign in. If you don't have an email already, I will show you how to make one. So this is the screen that will come up if you do not have an email. We're going to make one with Google. And it's going to load you up a page for Google, and you will choose create account. So now you're going to follow all the prompts that they give you, such as enter your name. I have entered my name now, and I will press next. And it's going to ask you for a phone number. So just put in your phone number. After you do that, it's going to ask you for other basic information, such as your gender and your date of birth. It will then give you suggestions for emails that you can choose, or you can create your own. So I'm going to choose this one. Press next, and now you're going to create yourself a password. After that, it'll give you a prompt if you'd like to add your phone number to Google. I'm not showing it because it's obviously my phone number and I don't want any spam text. So I'm going to put skip. It's going to ask you to read the privacy and terms, which you usually do not have to. Just agree to it. And your account is pretty much set up.